Hi, my name is Olivia Bassiano, and I am currently an adult blended case manager at a local mental health agency. I've been here for about a year, and I did my first field placement at this agency as well in their residential department with clients who were diagnosed with schizophrenia. In my job, I primarily work with adults. I do have two kiddos on my caseload at the moment, but I'm not a child case manager per se. Even though I have children of my own, I don't enjoy working with children as much as I do working with middle-aged adults. I know that this might sound weird, but I enjoy working with individuals and their siblings. I have many, many, many people on my caseload whose parents have passed away due to old age and their siblings help them. I just really enjoy working with my client and their siblings. Um, Growing up, I lived in a four-person household. My parents are married, and I had a little sister who passed away about 4 years ago at the age of 21. We don't have a lot of aunts and uncles and cousins. Our family is very, very tiny. Growing up, I played the role of the peacekeeper slash mediator, and I still play that role to this day between my parents, who are together but have a very rocky relationship. Things got 20 times rockier when my sister passed away. Um, Growing up, I leaned on my sister for everything. She was my rock. She was the person I went to about any problem, any question. I didn't make many decisions without going to her first. And then when she passed away, I became the family rock, which was a huge transition, but it honestly made me 100 times more of a stronger person. I still, literally as of today, am constantly being put in the middle of my parents' issues. And I tried my best to keep the peace. There really weren't any issues or drama that I was aware of growing up until my late teens, early adulthood. Is At that time, but when she was alive, my sister always sided with my dad and had a really rocky relationship with my mother, and I kind of just like swayed in the middle, just trying to keep the peace. But when she passed away, I became my parents' backbone and really repressed my own grief and issues related to her death because I needed to take care of my parents, and I still do. It was a lot, and it still is a lot, but that's just the role I've always played, the peacekeeper, and I don't mind it at all. Um, I don't have any burning questions per se, but one thing I look forward to is learning how to work with different types of families. I think that will be very interesting, and I think that will make me a better social worker in the future and make me a better case manager in the present. So, thanks for watching. Bye.